Here comes Tommy! I'm the #1 engine. Whoa! Down the hills and round the whoa! All engines
Fuck off and die.
fuck day.
Daddy. Oh.
Beautiful gum. Good night, Percy. Fuck you, Thomas. Hello. Why are you talking backwards? And rolling backwards. Because it's your day. Because you have a bastard.
What did you say to me?
Goodbye. Don't you mean? Exactly.
Mom, serious?
Goodbye. I want him too. Now you got it. Sky 5. You got it.
Gotta rewind that friend. That's just too funny.
Oh, silly. Morning, Percy.
Why aren't you doing bay? Don't you think it's fun?
I do not.
Gordon,
Gordon was rudely interrupted.
Good morning,
you should totally try backwards.
All right. I will try it. Not? Oh, fun.
Yay! Gordon Fox Backwards Day! Should do my delivery backwards and take the seaside to the cows and the farm to the sailboat. Actually, Percy, Backwards Day isn't fun. Whee! We're here! There's the delivery. Hey, don't you mean... Though it does seem a little weird to deliver cows to the sailboat and a beach to the farm. Good one, Percy. What just happened? We have to go back and switch it to the right way. Fuck your... You can't play and do work at the same time.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, by which I mean good job, of course.